not a game, it's a rage thing.
Hello, welcome all. Hello. A quick bimble. Okay, I'm going out. I don't know why I call it bimble. Quick ride. This one's about the actual bike. How nimble it is, doesn't feel heavy. It hasn't got as much torque as some of the other 250s, but the 250s haven't got the styling of this bike. Let's see, no hands, and it's fine and dandy. You can wiggle your bum and turn direction. Bars, I've had these bars raised by about 2.5 inches with a Spirit Beast add-on, and as you can see, that's the top one, and there's a smaller one normally down below. That's a higher aluminium one. No vibrations, no rattles, nice, more upright position for my age and my back. But yeah, the bike just turns where you want it to turn, using shifting your weight, so when you're going down corners you can get down, you can shift you know, don't have to have any weight on the handlebars. And she just looks cool. Very comfy as well, you know. You might be going around the corner and there's a grate and you're going over a grate and you're thinking, oh no, what's going to happen now? And it's fine. Very stable. I wonder where he was going. Who knows where he's going. The bump and you can feel it. And the engine's a little screecher. The engine braking is just there, nice and natural. Not mirrors are superb, as you can see out of that one. You can see behind it quite easily, they don't vibrate or anything. Switch gears perfect, passing, hazards, normal stuff. And the seat is quite comfy. I've been on a 210-mile journey twice, and the seat is perfect. Pickup's good, even in fifth. It's a twin cylinder as well, so it's just you know, I've had the single cylinders, CBR, Honda CBR 250, and I don't fancy the new Honda 300, I think it is. It's like a Neo Cafe Racer one, because that's a single cylinder as well. Twin cylinders are a lot better, nice and smooth to ride. I've got something in my helmet. Something buzzy. Just going to lift you up a minute. Oh. Get out! That's gone. Must be a little, wasn't a buzzy bee or a waspy, or something else. Yeah, fuel gauge is brilliant. It's got gear indicator, which is brilliant. RPM rev range across the top, and a big miles per hour. 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy. Let's get off the bike and show you the bike quickly, for them who haven't seen it or know about the bike at all. Yep, lovely sweeping lines from here going backwards to the front there. The engine is all encased. I've put some iridium plugs in there, NGK, which got to take these side fairings off from both sides just to get it, but they're nice easy to get off. At the front, the way she looks, nice clean lines come down nice and curvy to the bottom. Has a nice bit of a MotoGP style effect going at the top, going sideways. I'll put the LED indicators in. Everything's just nice and as it's supposed to be. Needs a clean, but yeah, it's lovely. Right, yes, I got a mount down here, so I'm going to put the camera facing that way so you can just see the exhaust, because I mean, that's a standard exhaust, but it's fine. Oh, get on a bit now. Hey, right. Just a quick one looking around the bike. The gearbox is superb. It's just nice and smooth gearbox. Now, if I was on an electric bike, I don't think I'd catch him actually. He's a bit, looks a bit of a fast rider. PM shift flight to 9,000 instead of 8. I kept saying I'm going to do it and it's not time yet. But I'll get round to it. I'll do it. Oh, I know what my Father's Day present is, one of them today. Don't know where to put it. I have a pin lock system on this visor on the inside, which clips in. And I took it out for summer and I went out the other day and I thought, I can't, I still need it, because when I'm in stationary traffic it still fogs up a bit, you know, you're breathing. So I put it away safe. And now at 60 years old, safe can mean anywhere. And I can't find it. Simple as that. Looked all the way around the house, where I thought I'd put it, etc, etc, and it's not there. Nowhere to be seen. So my son Sam has bought me another one, a new one. So I can put it back in and just leave it in here all year round. Which is good. I need to find some roads that'll have like sweeping curves and stuff on them, like a long road, like a sweeping curves here and there, so I can get down a bit. Because at the moment I just think, you know, I can get down, etc. But I move my bum off the seat. Right, thank you all for watching. Just a quick one there about the bike and me. Well, not really me, more to about the bike. The build quality is good as well. Put it in gear, Michael. Yeah, please like, subscribe, comment so I can answer your comments. Yeah, and don't forget there's first 200 subscribers, past and present, and future subscribers up to 200, and a draw for an action camera, like a GoPro clone thing, 4K action camera that I'm giving away free. And I'll just make a draw and do a video of that when the time comes. He's got arms on his head. Right, thank you for watching, and tatty bye for now.